Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. This is lesson number 6 of my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you more how to create apps. So you open up your home screen, which is probably this which I'm showing you on the screen right now. Then you open Pre-Reader Express, which the link will pop up right on the screen right now. So I opened the link that popped up on the screen, tudo.co.org/s/pre-express2020, and then scroll down to loops and click loops with Scrat. And this is number 1. So you must have seen this squirrel in the movie Ice Age, who is always trying to get the nut. So these are basically difficult versions of Scrat where you have to write more code and get to the acorn. So let's repeat 5 east and let's get the acorn. And then the squirrel's name is Scrat, and then Scrat just jumps on top, just bounces on top of the nut and collects it. And then click continue. It's going to be a long video because there are 12 puzzles in total. So here we need to repeat west 5 times, south twice. Oh yeah, now there is one thing that changed. Now it's 3 to 10. You can only repeat 3 to 10, not 2 to 10 anymore. So we'll have to just drag in 2 south blocks like this. Ta-da! See? Now Scrat holds the acorn in his hands. No, don't see this video if you don't want to. Okay. So now let's repeat 5 blocks. West 5. And look, Scrat got the acorn. Now this code will already be here for you. Repeat for east, repeat for, you need to add 1 block here. Repeat for south. Perfect, just like that. Okay, now we move south, we need to move west. So 4 west. Okay, then click continue. We are on the 7th puzzle right now. Now we need to repeat for south. So repeat for south, repeat for west, and repeat for north, just like that. Scrat really wants that acorn. Bravo! Just like that. Can you fix this code? This code will also already be here for you. So let's just see what happens in this code. And this code is run. So this code is already there to help you. So let's just see where Scrat made a mistake. He made a mistake when he went up. So we don't need this west block. Need it here. And we need to move south. And south 4 times. Oh yeah, and we also don't need this piece of code. Now Scrat gets the acorn, and there is a little ice age thing carved. Level 8. So here there is some code which is wrong, and Scrat wants you to fix this code. So you can just start throwing all this code out of the when run block. Then, as you can see, we need to move east 3 times, and we need to move north 5 times, and we need to move west 4 times, and also south 4 times. Then click run. Boing, boing, boing. Scrat just moves like that. Now let's continue. Let's start it from the beginning. The acorn is too far away. Can you use to get Scrat there? Okay, so here we can see we need to repeat 5 east, and we need to move south 5 times also, and need to move west 3 times, and we need to move north 3 times. North. Okay. Then click run. Okay, now this is one of those challenge puzzles. So I'm just going to show you how you do this challenge puzzle. So you move south 5 times, and you move west 2 times, and after you move west 2 times, you need to repeat 5 north. So 5 north. Then repeat west 2 again. and repeat south 5. And that's how you complete the challenge. Then click run and Scrat. Boing, 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 boing. Excellent. Just like that. Challenge complete. And 11 help Scrat to get to the acorn. Here we need to repeat west 4 times. Repeat north twice. Repeat east. Repeat east 4 times. And repeat north twice again. And that's how you complete puzzle number 11. Okay, now just watch Scrat get to that acorn. Jump, 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 jump. Ta-da! Just like that. Okay, here we need to move east in puzzle number 12. East 5 times. And we need to move north twice. Not 5 times. And that's how you complete this puzzle. Ta-da! Fun. Okay. So that's it for today's video. I told you programming harder versions of Scrat. So bye. But before you leave the video, don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for me, feel free to leave it in the comments section below. Bye.